Hi there. I don't think we've met before. My name is Alex.
Hi, Alex. Nice to meet you. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. Do you come to this coffee shop often?
Yes, I do. I love their cappuccino. What about you?
It's my first time here. I just moved to this neighborhood.
Oh, that's great. Welcome. Where are you from?
I'm from New York. And you?
I'm from Los Angeles, but I've been living here for 5 years now.
That's cool. By the way, what do you do for a living?
I'm a graphic designer. And you?
I work as a software engineer.
That sounds interesting.
Hello. You must be my new neighbor. I'm Lisa.
Hi, Lisa. Yes, I just moved in yesterday. I'm Tom.
Welcome to the building, Tom. How do you like it so far?
It's great. Everyone seems so friendly.
Yes, it's a nice community. Where did you move from?
I moved from Chicago. What about you?
I've been living here for 3 years now. By the way, what do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach English at a local school.
That's wonderful. I work as a journalist.
That's cool. Maybe you can recommend some good places around here.
Of course. I'd be happy to.
Hey, Lisa. I want you to meet my friend Sophia.
Hi, Sophia. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Lisa. Nice to meet you too.
How do you know Emma?
We work together at the same company. How do you know her?
We've been friends since college.
That's awesome. What do you do for a living?
I'm a photographer. And you?
I'm a marketing manager.
That sounds like a fun job.
It is. I get to meet new people all the time.
You both have creative jobs. I knew you'd get along.
Hi, I'm David. This is my first English class. What's your name?
Hi, David. I'm Alex. Welcome to the class.
Thanks. Have you been studying English for a long time?
Yes, I've been learning for about a year now. How about you?
I just started last month.
That's great. Why are you learning English?
I need it for my job. And you?
I want to travel and meet new people.
That's a great reason. Let's help each other practice.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Hi, is this bus going to Main Street?
Yes, it is. I take this bus every day.
Oh, that's great. I'm new to the city, so I'm still figuring things out.
Welcome. It's a nice place. Where are you from?
I'm from Chicago. What about you?
I grew up here. If you need any recommendations, let me know.
That would be awesome. By the way, I'm Lisa.
Nice to meet you, Lisa. I'm David.
Oh, sorry, were you going to take this book?
No worries, you can take it.
Actually, I was just curious about it. Do you like mystery novels?
Yes, I love them. Do you read a lot?
I try to. Do you have a favorite author?
I really like Agatha Christie. What about you?
Same here. Maybe we can exchange book recommendations.
That sounds like a great idea.
Wow, this band is amazing. Have you seen them live before?
Yes. This is my third time seeing them.
That's awesome. I just discovered them recently.
You're going to love the rest of the show. What's your name, by the way?
I'm Tom. And you?
I'm Sophia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What other music do you like?
I enjoy rock and indie music. What about you?
Same here. Looks like we have a lot in common.
Hi, do you know the bride or the groom?
The bride. She's my childhood friend. What about you?
I know the groom. We went to college together.
That's wonderful. Weddings are a great place to meet new people.
Yes, by the way, I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Lisa.
Nice to meet you too. Let's enjoy the wedding. Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, go ahead.
Thanks. Are you studying for the exam too?
Yeah, it's tough. Have you taken this professor's class before?
No, this is my first time. What about you?
Same here. Hopefully, we'll do well. By the way, I'm Sophia.
Nice to meet you, Sophia. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too. Maybe we can study together sometime.
What a view! It's amazing up here.
I know, right? Totally worth the climb.
Do you hike often?
Yes. I love nature. What about you?
This is my first time on this trail. Any recommendations?
Yes. There's a beautiful waterfall just a little further ahead.
That sounds awesome. By the way, I'm Tom.
Nice to meet you, Tom. I'm Lisa. Let's enjoy the hike.
It's great to see so many people helping out today.
Yeah, it feels good to give back to the community.
Have you volunteered here before?
No, this is my first time. What about you?
I've done it a couple of times. It's always a great experience.
That's awesome. By the way, I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too. Let's make a difference together.